Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I think I'm slowly turning into a travel vlogger. But okay, listen, enjoy.
It's different from the kid that kind of you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
So essentially what this one is, if you follow me on my Instagram, I use the same handle, Zenzi Official. I went down to DC and to Florida some time back, and I forgot to share this content with you.
Takunda!
This is crazy.
What? Oh. It's still there. Yeah. I think it's activate switch to operate. Pull it.
How crazy is this?
You're a big city girl now.
I am now.
You have taken the train in DC.
Oh my god. Taking the train. In case you're wondering why I took the train from DC to Baltimore Airport, where I could take my flight from there to Florida, right? What I was stoked about was I got to move from DC into Maryland, which is another state, and then to Florida, which is a third state. I was really stoked about that. I took the train simply because it was cheaper than Uber. Like, this was $8 versus like 100 something what Uber was asking for. So anyway,
As a new seatable use the handrail during our trip to the terminal. Please cover easily and for all shuttle passengers. Welcome to the BWI rail station. Please proceed directly across the 1-4
hey guys, so I am in an airport shuttle, literally by myself. By myself! Okay, anyway, I'm about to get off and I'll catch up with you guys later. I just realized I'm in a different state, so I've just called another state. Okay, bye. Woo. Thank you. I know you guys are looking forward to my Jamaica vlog, but I had to get this content out of the way, okay? So hang tight. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button right now and make sure all your notification bells are on, because after this content, right, will be all Jamaica, and I know you guys you can't wait to know what happened. You can't wait for me to give you a commentary on everything that happened, so I'm excited to share that with you too.
Look at you! Look at you! Look at you! Hi, babe.
Will we ever do something instead of fun?
I don't know if it's a girly girl thing to do. We just express emotions like crazy. I had seen her the morning of this day, but like we were excited, like we hadn't seen each other in 11 years. But anyway, so we slept over at the hotel, and then in the morning we drove down to her cousin's place because we found out her other cousins were there. So it was a whole big Saturday out with the girls type of thing. Trigger warning, we found a snake at her cousin's house. I'm gonna just put in a snippet for you, but if you're not interested in this, you might want to fast forward the next part.
Can you give me my phone? Can you take a picture? I need to send. Yeah.
A picture? Okay, can I hold the thing for you? Then you
Yeah.
can take the picture. Because
No, I think you can go close by.
no.
Take-
One thing about Florida that I've come to learn, it's very hot. You will see snakes and you will definitely see gators. Be careful.
On. I did ERC, and all of the history is so depressing that when you're done, you're just like, you know what? All I need is Harry Potter right now. That's all I can.
Hey, the love
So
too.
this place I made a
And it's
killer.
15
Yeah,
percent
you
off.
did?
Everything is OG. So
Oh man.
Oh, really?
Come in.
all my embarrassing things are over. I'm so sorry.
You what?
After this, we went down to Tampa where we had the rest of Florida vacation. So make sure you subscribe so you can watch that part and Jamaica vlog. Thank you guys for your support. I'll see you on the next one.